This is literally so cool. I can finally show you my red eye looks using grunge core, and I don't have to be secretive about it. I've been using these reds for so long and like sneaking them into looks and just kind of being like a little cheeky with it. But today I'm going to show you a red eye look that I've been doing kind of nonstop using my grunge core palette, which is live now out in the world. And my heart, thank you all so much for the love. Actually, maybe we shouldn't go there. Maybe I shouldn't get sappy so soon because I'll be crying. I'm wearing M169 as a blush right now, and I'm actually wearing M170 as a bronzer. So this is like kind of a full face of grungecore. Anywho, let me show you this quick red eye look because it's just gorgeous. It is, makes me feel alive. I'm going to start off with the red cream clay M169. Essentially, I create like a base with this, but I also really love this color. So it's a win-win. You have seen me use cream clay eyeshadows as bases so often, but this one, woo! Now, I like to pat to kind of create the shape and then kind of smudge out the edges, but I will set this with translucent powder. Just because I wear my makeup for a very long time and I don't want to deal with any creasing, I do a really thin layer, which is going to look more bright. Obviously, the more you build it up, the more opacity that you have, it will create depth. But I like it like here. I specifically wanted this red cream clay to be a little bit more dry, but I like having it in this consistency because I wear this as a liner in my waterline, as a blush, as a lip, as an eyeshadow, to smudge my lower lash. It is literally so good, dude. When I set my cream clays, I use the tiniest bit of powder, and I also kind of buff out the edges as well. There's nothing but translucent powder on this brush, and then that way I get this like soft little blend. It's not going to be some harsh line, or it's not going to be some like going from cream to powder, which is the rest of my face, and it's not going to look weird. So good. That perfect. Now I'm going to go in with M167, which is the most shimmery shade that Mob has ever done, and it's so perfect. Oh my god, I love this shade so much, obviously, but I really like that I can pick this up with a brush. If I want to use a shimmer and I can't get full opacity unless I'm using my finger, sometimes it's a little frustrating. This, I feel like you can use with your finger, obviously, but you can use with a brush and you still get that intensity, shine, reflect, gorgeousness. And I just like to take it all over the lid. Oh, put it everywhere, bring it up a little bit higher. You know what I mean, dude? Like, it's clean, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free. Mwah. This and this formula is crazy, dude. I'm so proud of this. I'm gonna blend the edges as well. Always going back to kind of just blend the edges because I don't want that to be super harsh. I like a smoked out eye pretty much always. Ooh, yeah. Same thing on the other eye. Ooh, I'm feeling tingly. And again, just using these two, the same thing on the lower lash line. Red cream clay, slightly set it, and M167. Adding in some winged liner, of course. Added all of my other details, and of course M171, the Grunge Core Collection lip. Red eyeshadow and red eye looks truly have been my favorite throughout time. I am so freaking excited and so honored and so happy to have red eye products with Mob now. This grunge core palette is more than just like essentials to me. It just, I don't know, man. These are literally like, part of my core, part of my being, part of my soul. I know that sounds cheesy, but I don't care. I love this so much. I love the versatility of the products as well. I just love this eye so much. It's so quick. It's very simple, but it's very effective. What do we think? Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hot. Perfect, dude. Oh yeah.